Welcome to LJ's Kitchen. Today I'll be making rock cakes. These are the ingredients. 1.5 of a cup of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 115 grams of unsalted butter, 115 grams of sultanas, 50 grams of mixed peel, 75 grams of caster sugar, grated zest of 1 orange, and 2 eggs. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees for a conventional oven and 180 degrees for fan forced. Step 2. Sift flour and baking powder into a large bowl. Then rub in the butter until it resembles breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is what it has to look like. I'm going to show you how to rub the butter. So there'll be clumps of butter here in the mixture. Obviously I've already done it and there's no butter left. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a bit. You can't use your palms, as you can see. I'm going through my palms. You're going to get your fingers like this and you're just going to rub it like that. Rub it and let it drop. You've got to bring it up in the air though. You've got to aerate it. Then stir in your fruit, sugar, and your zest. Now stir it. Just putting in my eggs. Should you roll it? That's good enough. So I have added my eggs. Just make sure you stir this until you have a stiff dough. Okay, so this is how it looks once I've stirred in my dough. What I'm going to do now is place walnut-sized mounds of the mixture on a lined tray, leaving space for spreading between each one. I'm going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown, and then you're going to cool it in a wire rack. So this is what they look like, a bit bigger than walnut size, but it'll do the job. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.